Okay, so here is an example for class 19. I can't find my cursor. There you go. We have this is actually problem 6.3 at a Shigley. A steel rotating beam test specimen has an ultimate strength of 120 ksi, and estimate the life of the specimen if it is tested to a completely reverse stress amplitude of 70 ksi. All right, and here we go. I'm also going to plot it on an SN diagram. So where are we at? So you know that we have 120. Our ultimate strength is 120. So one of the first things I'm going to do is find out what my F is going to be. So F is from figure 623, at least in this textbook. Let's see, what did you do that for? Mark it, look up. So we got 120. Ooh, that's easy. 0.82. Boom. I like it. So 0.82. And I need to know what F times SUT is. So that's 0.82 times our 120, and that equals 98.4 KSI. And I also need my SE prime. SE prime is 0.5 times the ultimate up to 200, but we're below 200, so we're okay. So I can even do this in my head, 60 KSI. All right, so from that, I can do a fairly decent job of trying to predict this. Okay, so notably, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then this right here is 200 right there, right? So 120, it's actually probably like right around there. That's my ultimate strength, right? Of 120. And for here's the 3,000 right there. Well, not 3,000. I keep saying 3,000. It's 1,000. 1e to the 3. And that should be at 98.4. So that's going to be pretty close to 100. Right? And almost virtually 100 right there, because that's how close that's going to be. So here's our first line that we would be making on our SN diagram. And then we're also going to we have a 60 right here. So this doesn't really use our graphic all that effectively. Right there. And my pencil width really plays a part in this. And then we're going to predict we have eternal life, infinite life above that. So the problem says we could just graphically we could take a look at see what we think we're gonna get with this one, right? And you can see where we're like right in there, right? That's where that 70 it goes, and we're predicting him right down to there, and there's 100,000, there's 200,000, so it's in the low 100,000s, maybe 110,000 cycles, almost right, KSI, maybe, I don't know, but let's use the equations, right? So we have A is equal to F SUT. Isn't that supposed to be a subscript? SUT. I don't know. I'm kind of tired. I need to go home. It's like 9:30 at night. What am I doing here? I don't know. I didn't like the fact that I didn't have these recorded yet. So 98.4 squared divided by 60. And we get that that's going to be 161.4. And B is negative 3 log of F SUT over SE. So negative 1/3 log base 10, that is, and that's the 98.4 divided by my 60. and we get a negative 0.07161. So you want to predict life, N, because we're in this region right here, N is going to be the reverse stress divided by A raised to the 1 over B. So everybody's in KSI, so we're okay here. So we take our 70 and divide it by our 161.4 and raise it to the 1 over, remember that's negative 0.07161. And we get 116,000 cycles. But my answer should only have 2 sig figs. So I say 120,000. I'm almost saying you should only use 1 sig fig. But 2 is good. 2 is enough to like really hammer it home, I think, of the point we're trying to make. So there you go. Yeah, graphically it seems to be confirmed that we're just right. And I actually did a better job this time with my pencil lead because I was using the 0.5 as opposed to the 0.9 that I often prefer because I don't break the lead quite as much. So there you go. There is an example. It was short and sweet. I'll do another one here in the next video.